Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to invite someone on Teachable. To invite students to your Teachable course, here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in teachable.com and search. Once you get to the official web page of Teachable, click on the Creator Login button and sign into your account after entering your credentials. Once you are logged into your Teachable account, go ahead and navigate to your course and click your course open. Soon after you open up a course, go ahead and click on the Users button on the left-hand side menu from your course's dashboard. Now this will take you to the Students tab where you can invite students. Go and click on the Add Students button at the top right-hand corner and manually enter the name, email address, and enroll these students into a product. Start off by typing in the name of your student. Write down their email address and if available, enter a password for them. You can also skip the password option. After you type in the name and email, check this little box at the bottom where it says enroll these students into a product. Select courses from the drop down underneath and check this little confirm box at the bottom to state that these users have consented to receiving email from your school. Now, after you are done adding the student's name and email address, click on the import button and the user will be added in the course. You can keep on adding more students according to your preferences by clicking on this Add Another button. By following these steps, you can easily invite students to your Teachable course and start sharing your knowledge with them. The invitation will be sent via email to your students, and once they go ahead and click on the link provided on your email, you will then be able to enroll them into your courses. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.